to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make colon cleanser and digestion aid smoothie. It is mixed with vegetable and fruit, which will help to get rid of any toxic from our system. It will help the body to take in vitamin and nutrient. If you want to find out how I make this, stay tuned. Smoothie, I'll be using mint leaf because it's rich in nutrient and will help to improve digestion. Celery has a lot of nutrient which will help to cleanse our system and also help for blood flow and circulation. Cucumber contains a lot of water and will help to hydrate your body and skin. Pineapple to this smoothie will add sweetness and it contains fiber which will help digestion. Spinach because it's high in fiber and minerals and will help to keep you full. I'll be adding turmeric. Turmeric will help to reduce blood pressure, sugar level, and also good for weight loss. Put some water into the blender. I will add the sliced turmeric. Add the mint leaf. Blend, I'll add the chopped celery. Add cucumber. Add pineapple. And finally the spinach. I will cover the blender and blend until smooth. Take this smoothie first in the morning on empty stomach. This smoothie will help to cleanse your colon and get rid of any bad toxic from your system. It also gives you energy and also help for weight loss. I hope you try this out and thank you all for watching.